The Sparrow's Gift of Gold. Short moral story. One cold winter, a kind sparrow saw a hungry old man sitting by the roadside. The sparrow plucked golden feathers from her own wings to buy him food and firewood. Soon, she had no golden feathers left and looked plain. One day, the man built her a warm nest and spread seeds for her to eat. When spring arrived, her golden feathers grew back, brighter than ever. The sparrow's kindness inspired others, and the village learned to care for one another. Moral: true generosity comes back to you, often in unexpected ways. Kindness makes the world brighter. Thanks for watching.